Welcome to video lesson students. This is Sharada from ZPHS Srirangavaram. Today the topic I'll discuss is simple equations. The objectives are, at the end of this session the students will understand the term simple equations. The students able to solve problems both trial and error method and transposing the terms method. They will able to connect the problems with the daily life situations and solve them. Now I'll give an activity. Guess any number. Students, you assume any number. You multiply the assumed number with 2. Okay. You have to add 5 to 8. So tell me, what is your answer now? Can you tell? Yes, you can easily tell the answer. Now suppose your answer is 11. I will tell what you have assumed. What is the number you have assumed? I'll show how to find it. See, suppose you have assumed a number, let it be x. Okay, what you are doing, the next step, you are multiplying the x with 2. So it will become 2x. And the third step is you are adding 5 to it. So what happens? 2x plus 5. Now, you told me that your answer is 11. Therefore, you have to make it equal. 2x plus 5 is equal to 11. Equality sign is there in between the two terms. You can find out the x value easily. When you see the x, it is a variable and the 5, 11 are the constants. So you can take the 5 to other side and it will become minus, and 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2, and you will get the answer as 3. So the number you have assumed is nothing but 3. So in this total process, you are observing one step. See here, in this step, there is an equality symbol is there. So you can say this equation with a special name. I will tell the name now. See here what you are observing on the screen. It is nothing but a balance, common balance. So when you purchase anything like vegetables or provisionals in the market, what they'll do, they'll weigh the product. So here the apples were weighed. So you're observing 3 apples. When you look at this pan, right side pan is down and left side pan is up. When both will equal, when the quantities on the both sides will be equal, then only the needle will come at the center. This needle. So the weighing balance needs to have equal weights on both the sides to be perfectly balanced. So here the weight should be equal to that of the weight of the apples. Then only the needle will come at the middle and the weights will be equal. Likewise, this is an equation. And you can say this one is a simple equation. And you can solve the x value by making it equal on both sides. See, this is a simple equation. And you can say the left side part as LHS and the right side part of the equality sign is RHS. What will be the x value so that the LHS is equal to the RHS? Let us see. See here the equation, the simple equation is 2x is equal to 6. What is there on left hand side? 2x is there. What is there on the right hand side? 6 is there. So what will be the value of x? What we have to put the value of x so that LHS is equal to RHS. Let us see. So the RHS is constant. So you can write constant like 6. There will be no change in constant. If there is a variable, the change will occur. See here, if you take 0 in place of x like this, 2 into 0, the answer is 0. And look at this LHS and RHS. Are they equal? No. LHS is 0, RHS is 6. So this 0 is not possible. Right? Next, we will put 1 now. What becomes 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now, LHS, RHS are equal? No. In this case also, they are not equal. Now we'll put 2 now. 2 into 2, it is 4. So LHS is 4 and the RHS is 6 now. Are they equal? No. In this case also, they are not equal. Now, we will put 3 now. 2 into 3, 6. Now observe carefully, they are equal. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Now, this is correct. So what will be the x value so that LHS is equal to RHS? So x should be 3, then only the balance will occur. Therefore, the value of x will be 3. So this is transforming terms from LHS to RHS. So this is a very important concept you have to remember. When you go on to the higher classes, this is very important. This leads a very important role. Now, plus is there. This part is LHS. This part is LHS. And here it is RHS. So when you take plus sign to the other side, what it will become? Yes, it will become minus. And minus, when you move on to the right side, it will become plus. What happened to the multiplications? Multiplication will become division. And division will become multiplication. This you have to remember when you are solving a simple equation. Now here, look at these simple equations. Here there is x plus 2 is equal to 6. When you are solving this equation, that is, when you want to find the x value by transforming terms method, like each and every term we have to transform to the RHS side. Now you are finding the x value. So which one you have to take to the RHS right side? Plus 2 you have to transfer to the right side. Therefore, the plus 2, what it will become? It will become minus 2. Yes, plus will become minus. And now we'll see x minus 3 is equal to 6 is there. When we move minus 3 to the right side, what it will become? It will become plus 3. And 5 is multiplying the x. When you take 5 to the other side, it will come and sit in the denominator. That is, it will divide. And here, 4 is dividing x. When you take 4 to the other side, let us see what happens. The 4 will multiply the RHS term. So this is very important thing you have to remember while solving the simple equations. Now, we will solve one equation by both the methods. That is, trial and error method and transposing method. See here, transposing terms method. You are transferring one term to the RHS, so that LHS there should be only X remains at the last. So what happens when you see this equation, the 4 is little bit far away from X. So what you have to do, first you have to transfer the term which is very far away from the X. That is, 3 is very near to X, whereas the 4 is very far away from X. So we will take 4 to the other side. What it will become? It will become minus 4 here. See. Next, 19 minus 4 is 15. Now we have to make the X alone. That is, you have to take this 3 also to the RHS. Like this, it will become 15 by 3. The answer is 5. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. Right? Now this is transposing terms method. Now we'll see by trial and error method whether the answer matches or not. Let us examine. We will take a table like this. For this is an equation, and what is there on LHS? LHS is 3x plus 4 and RHS is 19. So RHS 19 is a constant. This will be same throughout the table like this. Now we will assume one number, whether it matches, that is LHS and RHS matches or not, we will examine. So here 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4, what will be the answer? It is 4. Is LHS equal to RHS? Is the both are equal? No, they are not equal. Now we will put minus 1. So 3 ones are 3. So minus 3 plus 4. You will get plus 1. Here also LHS not equal to RHS. Now we will put 3 now. 3 3s 9. 9 plus 4, it is 13. Now 13 is there on left hand side and 19 is there on right hand side. Are they equal? No. So in this case also, this is also not possible. Now next time we will put 5 now. 5 3s 15. 15 plus 4, you will get 19. Both are equal? Yes, we got it. We got both are equal now. Here 19, here 19. So this is absolutely correct. So what should be there in place of X? There should be 5. So the 5 will be the answer. So whatever method may be, the answer will be equal. This, right? Next, solving simple equations. I'll tell some of the equations now. See here, x plus 5. When you take plus 5 to the other side, you will get minus 5. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Now look here, y minus 12. So which term you have to transpose here? Minus 12. It will become plus 12. So minus 5 plus 12, you will get 7. Now look here, in front of x there is minus is there. So what you have to do in the first step, you interchange these two terms. That is, when you bring minus x to the left side, it will become plus, and this is plus 14. Nothing is there in front of 14. You can assume it as plus. When you shift this one to the RHS, it will become minus like this, right? So 27 minus 14, it is 13. Now next, see here, minus 3 is there. Minus 3 is multiplying x. So when you take the whole term to the RHS, it will come and sit in the denominator like this. And this is 3 ones and 3 5s are 15. So minus 5 is there. Now next one, 2x by 5 is equal to 4. So 5 is dividing x. When you take to the other side, what happens? The 5 will multiply the 4, and you observe carefully 2 is multiplying x. When you bring to the other side, it will divide like this. Or simply you can, when you transfer this fraction to the other side, it will simply reverse like this. It will become reverse, and the answer will be 5 fours, 20, 20 by 2, it is 10. So this is all about the simple equation. I think everyone has understood. Now test your knowledge. You have to note all these questions in your notes. You solve them and show the work to your class teachers. So these are the 3x plus 4 is equal to 19, 10 minus q is equal to 6, 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. Look here, the 5 is multiplying the whole term. So when you take the 5 to the side, it will become division. And look at the fourth, this is minus 3. Minus 3 is multiplying x. When you take to the other side, it will divide. And here, look here, 2t minus 5 is equal to 3. And you have to find out the t value. This is all about today's session. Thank you.